In order to talk about life, first you must live it. Hello everyone, I am Shweta Ostwal. I was born and brought up in Pachpadra, a small town of Badmer district, Rajasthan. I did my schooling from Pachpadra in Hindi medium. I was a state level lawn tennis player and I am an ambivert kind of person. Apart from my parents, we are two sisters and one brother. In my school time, I got an opportunity to teach rural areas children. I was in 11th standard and I used to teach 8 to 10 students for 2 hours. Every alternate day, I was accompanied by my four friends in a bus to travel to the rural area for teaching poor kids. The air conditions were absolutely disturbing. At that time, I realized that it is very important to educate them. At that time, I felt that was the biggest thing that I have learned. It has given me more to know about the life. After finishing my schooling, I got an admission in college in 2007. At that time, there was a system in our village that girls were not allowed to go college regularly. If they want to study further, they have to study at home and can go to college only for giving exams. I insisted my father that I want to go college and study there. I don't want to do a correspondence like course from home. Fortunately, my father supported me and he allowed me that you can go to college. After me, there were three girls from my street got permission. And gradually, after convincing, all 16 girls from the town got permission to go college regularly. That was the biggest achievement of my life. It was like a revolution. Now, whenever I go to my place Pachpadra and I see girls are going to college in numbers, it brings a big smile on my face and I feel great about it. After finishing my graduation, I had worked with Kidzi as a teacher for 3 years. In 2010, I got selected for air hostess training at Franklin Institute, Mumbai. But I couldn't pursue it because we had some financial crisis. My dreams were shattered at that time. Thereafter, I always try to extend my support to those who are passionate about their dreams. After I got married to Bharat Ostwal in 2013. He is a man of simple living and high thinking. I'm living in a joint family, and that's the most wonderful part of my life. I am a housemaker. I have two kids, Vihana and Nirvan. I love dancing, reading books, exploring nature, listening music. I just want to fulfill one of my dreams at the earliest. That my parents have given me the best of their world and I would love to take them for world tour. And I really want to make this happen. At the end, I would like to conclude my speech by the quote of Abraham Lincoln that it's not the years in your life that count, it's your life in your years, isn't it? Thank you so much.